experiment here, and you should be super excited too if you're seeing this, because if you are, that means my experiment works. So I'm going to see if I can come up with a way to air fry a burrito for a lean and green. So come on along and lean and green with me. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elizabeth, and I am living in the light by documenting my weight loss journey using Optavia's 5-in-1 program. With the Optavia 5-in-1 program, you eat 5 fuelings that come to you each month in your monthly box that you order, and then each day you also make 1 lean and green meal, and you eat every 2 to 3 hours spaced throughout the day and drink lots of water. And on this program, in just a little over 6 months, I have lost 80.5 pounds. So I'm really excited about that. I'm a little past the halfway mark of my goal, and I am continuing to do that. So if you would just take a second, scroll down, hit the thumbs up button, let me know that you like these kinds of videos. And if you haven't subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button. And that just lets me know that there are people out there who are encouraging me along this journey and who like the content that I'm providing. Let me show you the ingredients we are going to use for this. So what I was thinking, my plan was to have turkey tacos. I have a video that shows how to do that. I show you how to make the taco shells. I've shown videos how to make the pizza crust. They're pretty much the same thing. And so I thought, I wonder if I could take a pizza crust, and I make these in advance, so I had it in the freezer. And if I, instead of making 3 small tacos, if I took the pizza crust, could I roll it up and could I put it in the air fryer to make it a little bit crispy? So we're going to give that a try. So the same basic ingredients, but instead of the 3 small taco shells, I'm going to use 1 of the cauliflower crust. So this one actually has a little bit of broccoli in it. So it's the same ingredients. It's 1 cup of rice cauliflower with a little bit of rice broccoli in there. So same amounts. 3 tablespoons, so that's 2 greens. 3 tablespoons of egg substitute, which counts as 1 condiment. So when I make one of these wraps, or when I make my taco shells or my pizza shell, it counts as 2 greens, 1 condiment, which means I still have to add my lean, I still have to add 1 more green, and I can have 2 more condiments. So this is what I am going to do. Start out with my wrap, and I am going to add to it my lean, and I need to weigh this out. So I'm going to do 4 ounces of turkey meat, ground turkey that is seasoned with taco seasoning. And I pre-cooked this already the other day when I went grocery shopping. So I'm going to get 4 ounces here, and then I'm going to top it off with my cheese to complete my lean. So I'm going to add the turkey, break it up a little bit as I'm doing it because it's cold, and I want 4 ounces. This is seasoned with a low sodium turkey taco seasoning, low sodium taco seasoning. Okay, it's almost exact there. There's 4 ounces. And then I need to have, I'm going to top that off with 1 ounce of reduced fat. This is Fiesta blend, so this is a Mexican blend. But any reduced fat cheese that you want to use, if you can only find cheddar, that's fine. Just a reduced fat cheese. So I want this to be, I'm going to add 1 ounce of this cheese. There we go. And then I'm going to kind of mix this together. And this counts as the lean portion of my meal. So I'm going to put this on top of my wrap. I don't know if I'm going to be able to wrap this up, so we'll see. Because that's a lot of stuff right there. Then I need to add a green. So what I did was I took 1 serving of green peppers, and I put a little bit of Pam in a nonstick skillet, and I cooked them. It's really nice because they got kind of caramelized. So that's my other green. And if I'm lucky, and I can get this wrapped up somehow, was hoping that I could, let's see. I may not be able to do all of it. I may have to have some of the filling separately just so that I can get it all wrapped up. That's what I think I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna take out about half of the peppers and about half of the meat, and I'll just end up having that on the side because I really want this to work. Go away, paper. I think I need to take just a little bit more of the turkey out. All right, let's see if I can do this now. All right, so I'm gonna put it seam side down. And then I'm going to, what I'm gonna do next is preheat my air fryer to 375. And I'm gonna put this in there. I think I'm gonna try air frying it for about 6 to 8 minutes. And then I'm going to serve it with my next condiment, which will be 2 tablespoons of salsa as my other condiment. And then I need a healthy fat because I've got ground turkey here. So I'm gonna do 1.5 ounces of avocado. And I think what I'm gonna do is weigh out my 1.5 ounces and then mash it together with that so that I can kind of use it as a dip, or I can just top this that I'm gonna have to heat up separately, maybe in a skillet, and just top it with that. Maybe that's what I'm going to do. So I will come back and show you what this looks like after I preheat this and get that cooked for about 4 minutes. It may not be the most beautiful plate in the world, but I think this is going to taste really good. So I've got, it actually is a little bit on the crispy side, so you can hear that. So that part did work. I'm really glad about that. Unfortunately, I couldn't fit it all in there, but that's okay. It'll still taste great on the side. This is half of an avocado, 1.5 ounces of avocado. I measured that out. It was a smaller avocado, so that half was exactly 1.5 ounces. 2 tablespoons of the Mrs. Renfro's salsa, no, the Mateo's salsa is what it is. And I am going to have this together for my lean and green tonight. It is going to be delicious. I hope that you'll give this a try. These wraps are so flexible. I've used them to make a Philly cheesesteak. I've used them obviously for pizza and tacos. I hope that you will give this a try. And until I see you next time, please live in the light.